Laughing breeds success. According to one school of thought, TM meditation, laughter is the language of the heart, and the more we laugh, the more our heart is open. A day without laughter is a day wasted. Charlie Chaplin, famous comic actor. There is little success where there is little laughter. Andrew Carnegie, industrialist and philanthropist. Laughter is a powerful antidote to stress, pain, and conflict. Nothing works faster or more dependably for restoring a sense of mental or physical equilibrium than a good laugh. Humor lightens our burdens, inspires hopes, and connects us to others. Without a doubt, it also keeps us grounded, focused, and alert. At the height of laughter, the universe is flung into a kaleidoscope of new possibilities. Jean Houston, author.